Why'd you tell my ex she dodged a lifetime sentence?
Because dating you looked like community service.
You're out of control.
So was your last breakup.
Why'd you comment, Legend says she's still waiting under my old prom photo?
Because your date looked ready to disappear.
You're cruel.
Nah, just observant.
Why'd you tag me in a meme about midlife crises?
Because your haircut started it.
That's not funny.
Neither is your playlist from 2008.
Oh, man. Got him.
Even the bird knows.
Chief's smiling.